So these are Galvaline skin conditioning work rolls. The chalk weighs about 400 kilograms, just over 900 pounds. And you see here that we wouldn't be able to take the chalk off unless we rotated it around. The problem with rotating around is that we have to rotate it back into this position afterwards. I'm probably the heaviest guy in the shop, and it's difficult for me. And you're literally in this position, and we have a guy, he's like 150 pounds. I asked him how he did it. He says he got to climb it on like a spider monkey. We've just been doing it the same. We've never asked ourselves if there's a better way. Until we did ask that question, we were just going to keep doing it this way. So maintenance, fabbed us up. Took a couple hours, fabbed us up a couple little plates, platforms. Then we just slid into position. Which then just makes it easy to pull it off. Whoops, sorry here. So you can see where it captures it in the front, captures it in the back. I don't know why we didn't think about it 20 years ago, but here we are.
Okay, I'm going to show you how we turn these chalks, how we used to turn them, and why we're doing it the way we're doing it now. So, we used to turn them just by grabbing them by the ear and then putting our foot right here and trying to turn it. But you have to basically lean into it. So that's kind of dangerous. If your foot slips, it can go up your shin. So what we did was we made this thing right here, and it goes like that on the chalk. Gives us a place for our foot, gives us a place for our hand, plenty of leverage, hardly any effort at all. I used to have a partner, his name was Kenny. Him and I decided that this is not the way we wanted to do it anymore, so we just decided to figure out a way. We came up with that tool, and it's worked out really well for us. So
sometimes when these chalks are assembled, these seals are metal back, and sometimes you'll get metal slivers in the backside of the seal or here in the chalk itself. So occasionally we would get slivers. And then a buddy of mine, Wade Sigler, came with an idea that, hey, why don't we do it differently? So he had this designed and worked with Darren Ingram, one of our engineers. So now instead of using our hand, pull the grease out, just do that, then that's it. So we're good to go. Most of our safety initiatives has made the job either more efficient or easier. I like to remove steps. Now my gloves are still clean. I could do another task without having to change my gloves because I just scooped out, you know, a handful of grease. So there's lots of things we do that actually improve life overall. It's not always an impediment. Sometimes it takes longer, but everybody goes home with their fingers and toes, and that's kind of what's important.